Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craften, and I'm living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, Wales. And today it is a scorching day today here in Wales. Beautiful, lovely sunshine. Now, there we go. I'm Wendy from Wendy's Den. I'm on Facebook, YouTube. You watch me, and I've got a blog as well. Okay, so just put Wendy's Craften in the little doodly box at the top, and you should be okay. Now then, coming with you today with a sort of a different 3D project. It's going to be a notebook. You say, what's going to do that? Well, what I've done so far, I have stuck a magnet onto these canvas boards, which I'm enjoying doing these things on here. Then I'm going to put. There's going to be very, very little to do today. Oh, look at that. No, I don't know. No, I won't. No, I'll stick to what I planned, otherwise you know what'll happen. Yep, everything will go wrong. Make sure you've got plenty of glue on there, because it is a big thing, and it is going to take a little bit of to and fro. No, it doesn't really matter. Yes, it does, because I've measured it out that way. Just going to give it a little bit of a mat, that's the word. Now another thing I'm going to do, right, you can see this, so I'm going to use my glue. What I've done is I've taken a piece of, the canvas is 7 3/4 square. I've cut the magnet to 7 1/4, and then the paper then to 7 2/8, something like that. And what I did was, you get your notebook, you do like that, you just bend it over and crease it along the top there, okay? And after you've got a nice crease line, I'm going to glue just on that crease line. Don't go anywhere else, just on there, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Right, now then you stick that on there, and just put it around like that. Gives you a lovely, lovely mat all the way around it. Still pressing on it. As you can see, this is the backing of this. Right, so that is now stuck. And what happens is, when you take the notebook, you use the pages, then all the sticky will be unstuck. They will get unstuck. So you can just replace the pad then, as and when you want to. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to stamp with sentiments. And I'm using the So Sentimental sentiments. And I'm going to, your friendship is a blessing. I'm going to use that. Oh, get a block, Wendy, come on. Oh, dear me. Try and get that as straight as the blocks. I've got to clean all my blocks. Yes, now then, because they're the foam, I don't need the stamping pad. Put that over there, Wendy. Right, look at that. It just about fits on there. Hold it there for a minute. Oh, I'm glad when that happens. Yeah, now that I've used Night of Navy, because Night of Navy is one of the inks that go with this set. Whoa. Right, it's called Fine Art Florals, signed a series paper. Now I think that this is leaving us. I'm not sure, I need to check, but it is still available on the mini catalogue. Oh, look at that, my favourite sweet. Let's hope it'll still be carried over. I don't know but you'll start seeing it in June, because we're allowed to order. This sweet is in here somewhere. Oh, come on. Page 33. Where did I think of looking in the index first? I really don't know. Here we are. You've got the whole suite, the whole papers, the ribbon, the foil, the stamp, the dies, and some gold foil as well. Turn around here. This is what some of the things I suggest we do with them. So if you want this, have a look, follow the link below, go to my catalogue and find the Fine Art Floral Suite, and it's on page 32. Right, yes. When you get your DSP, if you look at the back, it'll give you all the colours that are in the paper that you can use ink-wise. So you're not going out of whatever. Right, so that is that and that and that. Now then, that is doing okay there. Right, where's that? Right. Now this little bit I'm going to stick. I think it's going to be all windows and doors open today. I'm going to stick this up here with a levelish there. And then sticky things. No, that's not going up there. What are you doing going up there? All right. And I got all these little calendars. You can buy. I think I bought it from bought them off Amazon. I'm sure I did. Right. Now that I'm playing with magnets today, and they don't want to work for me, I don't think. No, that one's gone somewhere. Oh, well, never mind. Oh, there's another two there. I don't know where anything's going to nowadays, honestly. Right, that's there. There should be another magnet here. And what you do is when you get... Oh, this is one. No. Just stick the magnet underneath the last page. Now, I know that there's another one of these little magnets somewhere. So that's all you need to do is you stick one big and two small. And that will then keep... Well, once all the magnets are on there, then it'll work okay. Right, so that's that. Now then, I'm now going to stick... Oh, there it is, you know. Yeah. Here we are, one big and two small. That keeps it there. Easy. Stick that on the bottom. I'm not going to put any dimensionals on here now today. These are just various offcuts from various die cut. You know, when you cut something, you've got about 2 inches or an inch left. What you need to do is get some die or your punches, punch them out and put them in a little box like this. Because as you've seen in my past ones, they do get a bit skew-iff and lost. Right, so that should have been nicely stuck on there now. Yeah. And go, you know what's going to happen out here. Right, so I'm going to... Maybe I don't think that I should do these sort of things in the morning, do you? But we'll get there in the end. Right, I'm going to put one magnet there. And one magnet to the side. So then, once your notebook is finished, all you need to do is replace the magnets Well, take this off, don't replace the magnet, replace the notebook. So there's that one, and I've also got my pen, sorry, that I've put a magnet on the end of your pen, and your pen sits in there very nicely. Well, it will if it stopped being a nuisance. There we are. And there you go. You've got your own little notice boards, and then it is easy to replace the notebook and the calendar. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.